the another session of Sakti Yogalaya. Today's session we are going to do one of the kriyas. It's called Neti Kriya. In this Neti Kriya we are doing Jala Neti. For this Jala Neti I am using this Neti part. You can easily get it from Walmart and other pharmacies also. This brand I am using. It comes with nasal rinse sachet. We can use this sachet or half teaspoon of uniodized salt. We usually easily we can get it from home. That salt we can use it either this packet or half a teaspoon salt and lukewarm water. Fill this part with lukewarm water with a sachet of this packet or half a teaspoon salt. Before going to the practice, I am going to tell the limitation of this kriya. Whoever having severe ear infection, recent severe ear infection and nasal surgery should avoid this practice. Benefit of this practice is it's very good for asthma and respiratory problems like wheezing and nasal allergies, bronchitis disease. So this is kids also can do. My kids doing this practice weekly once. This is good for their wheezing and nasal allergies also. Now I am going to do this practice. Take this part. Throughout this practice, we have to open your mouth and breathe through our mouth only, and tilt your head to the left or right and hold this part tightly and tilt your head. I'm tilting my head to the left side and slightly forward, and I'm keeping my mouth open and breathing through the mouth. Empty the pot. I'm going to do with other nostril. Keep your mouth open and tilt your head. Empty the bottle and blow your nose.
Hey guys!
I'm going to this practice do for my son. He's just 7 years old. Tilt your head and just sideward and forward. Open your mouth. Start breathe through your mouth. Coming. Keep open your mouth. Yes, good job. Blow your mouth, blow your mouth. Yeah. Now I'm doing with other nostril. Tilt your head and sideward and forward. Cool. Keep open your mouth. Breathe through your mouth. Good job.
Hi guys! I'm going to do Jala Neti. It clenches our nostrils and makes our nostrils free so you can breathe again easily. You can also try it too, but just try it with the help of your parents. Don't do it on your own. You might get something wrong.
Tilt your head forward and sideward. Open your mouth. Breathe through your mouth. Yeah, it started coming. Keep coming. And finishing it. And blow your nose. Good job.
Now I done the first nostril. Let's move on to the second. After you're done with this practice, you can easily breathe.
Keep your mouth open. Yeah, it's coming. Water is coming. Good job. Keep going. Blow your nose.
Hi guys, I have been doing this practice for last 3 years, so this is really important practice. You guys also try it. Okay, now I'm going to do the another nostril.
Now I have done with my both nostril. I have cleanses my both nostril with this neti part. Each one should have their own neti part. After this practice, Kapalabhati practice is very important. You can do the Kapalabhati at least 50 counts. Like this. I have shown this practice, Kapalabhati practice, in my previous video. Thanks for watching and subscribe our channel. Thank you.